wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best lathe chisel sets. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. The multi-type on-point 12-piece is well equipped and designed for both lathe turning and hand carving. The wooden handles have been formed with alloyed steel hoops at the head, which prevents damage when struck with a mallet. These come with a leather storage wrap and an anti-skid lacquer. However, they do need sharpening before initial use. At number 9, this 4-in-1 PSI woodworking multi-cutter features replaceable diamond carbide cutter bits that are easily inserted into the 18-inch hardwood handle. It also comes with a chip deflector that attaches magnetically to the blade. It provides accurate cuts and is good for decorative work, but additional bits are costly. Coming in at number 8 in our list, the precision-made 6-piece steelex Plus have long shafts and sturdy ash handles, giving them a good heft and balance for control. They're suitable for all skill levels and will manage just about any tuning job with ease. They include a blow-molded case and are comfortable to use. However, they do need frequent sharpening. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for lathe chisel sets, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the 2¼ blades on the Benjamin's HSS Micro set are much narrower and shorter than regular chisels. These are designed for carving small, intricate pieces, or for cutting elaborate details into larger turnings. They're professional quality and come with a compact storage case, but the tips are easily damaged. Moving up our list to number 6. For all your turning and carving requirements, the imotechom 12-piece contains the essential items you'd expect, and some uncommon ones, such as bent and curved gouges. Walnut shafts and a presentation box complete the package. These are made from chrome vanadium steel and are machine sharpened. However, they don't have any size markings on them. Halfway up our list at number 5. This set of 3 simple wood-turning mini-tools have grooved solid aluminum handles that have been crafted by Harrison Specialties in Minnesota. With a 4-inch shaft, they're intended for use on small projects with intricate decoration. They're equipped with engraved shanks and replaceable cutters. These are good for beginners. At number 4, this set of werks HSS blades feature quality hardwood handles with brass ferrules and are packaged in a wooden display case. It contains a good selection of sizes, which are ideal for small, intricate work and larger projects alike. They're a durable construction and nicely balanced. It's good value for the money. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Professional Crown Pro PM is a 5-piece kit that boasts advanced powder metal blades that have been heat-treated, giving them a cutting edge that lasts up to 5 times longer than conventional steel counterparts. These feature black ash handles and are made in England. They're highly accurate. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for lathe chisel sets, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, this offering from Simple Wood Turning Tools is comprised of a solid aluminum haft with a soft foam rubber grip and 3 interchangeable shafts. The carbide tips have 4 very sharp cutting edges that can be rotated when blunt. It's extremely durable and easy to control, and no sharpening is required. And taking the top spot on our list, the budget-friendly yellowhammer 8-piece is suitable for beginners and intermediate wood turners, and includes the most essential blades needed to get started. They're 16 inches long and well-weighted for accuracy. They feature ergonomic beech handles and high-speed steel. They come with a carrying case. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for lathe chisel sets, or simply click beneath this video.